Hello and welcome to the final video in our Knowledge Published Tips and Tricks series. In this video I'm going to talk about a little feature which allows you to override deadlines within the system. It's not something that everybody will need to use or everybody will use or have ever come across in the past, but it's something that from a support perspective I've been asked to do a couple of times already this week as a result of publications, different magazines and niche titles changing their deadlines, changing their dates for output. So if I just log into the system, I'm just going to pick a random edition within the system. So I'll just pick this magazine supplement here. When we look through the pages, you can see standard publication, just got a number of pages in there, but you've got this button at the top labeled PDF, which is highlighted in red at the moment. When you hover over it, it shows you that the deadline is in the past. So that was the 20th of March. It's now the 3rd of April. So that deadline was in the past. No longer, this publication will no longer generate PDFs of its pages because it's out of deadline. So what you can do, obviously, and what I've been doing from a support perspective for a couple of titles where they've booked the publication, they've planned it all, it's in the past, but they need to still output the pages. So you just go into here and you just right click on here and you've got an option here called Deadline Override, Turn PDF Creation On. Enabling that will then turn that green, which then from a glance tells you, yes, these pages can be generated, can now have a PDF generated of them. And then the system will go through, and once you've marked pages as ready for output in the normal way, those pages will then PDF and have a PDF generated of them. At this stage, you can then, once all the pages have gone, you can then turn the deadline off by just right-clicking on it and go to Clear Deadline Override, which will set it back to the original deadline of the 20th of March, which means no more PDFs will be generated. So, like I mentioned at the start of the video, that's the final sort of tip and trick that I've got for you. That one, not as useful as some of the other ones potentially, but useful nevertheless when it comes to outputting pages and clearing publications. So thanks for listening and thanks for watching.